After several months of cross-examinations and study of exhibit materials, the Coroner Chief Magistrate Mukaila Fadeyi finally drew curtains on the inquest into the death of Peju who died under controversial circumstances at a Lagos-based private hospital, Premier Specialist Medical Center. The deceased had approached the hospital for a fibrous surgery in April 2021, but died 4 days after. The widower, Ijoma Ugboma, believed her death was as a result of poor medical services rendered by the hospital. According to findings, she was jaundiced and had serious hemorrhage after her uterus was removed during the operation. The magistrate concluded that the doctors who were involved in the surgery and management of the late Ugboma should be held responsible for her death. He blames them for what he describes as lack of due diligence, failure of appropriate medical responses, poor documentation, absence of vital medical equipment, and failure of immediate involvement of required surgeons. Chief Magistrate Mukaila Fadeyi says the late entrepreneur died an avoidable death. The widower, who patiently followed the fact-finding legal process, is satisfied with the outcome.
I'm happy it has come, it has come to this. I'm happy. I know that tonight my children will be really happy and proud of me because they actually told me to send them a message in school, to send a message to their teacher as soon as the ruling is out. I'll be talking to the lawyers. We have a list of options. This is the end of a chapter, but we are still not done with the process.
While declaring that the inquest is not empowered to award damages to the family of the late Ugboma, Chief Magistrate Fadeyi recommended that government should give some funding considerations to private hospitals in whatever form available, which may include loans or grants. He also advised that the Code of Ethics for medical practice should be reviewed to accommodate stiffer punishment for practitioners found wanting.
They have been recommended for trial for the trial, that is the medical tribunal, and that has not commenced. I believe that we will also be part of that process, and we are also considering bringing a lawsuit for something to help the system. There must be a law. There were a lot of lapses, and if there were a law to regulate this, perhaps these things would not have happened.
Inaugurated in May 2021, the coroner's inquest, which cross-examined 16 witnesses, also frowns at the practice of employing part-time doctors by hospital management because the business of healthcare requires absolute concentration. Oba Adeoye, Arise News, Lagos.